but this. Three. Not so jet lag, not so tired. I've been feeling very good. I slept a solid, I think, 7 hours on the first flight, and then I slept 5 hours on the second flight. So honestly, I'm set to go. Though I woke up a little early. Woke up at 5 a.m. at local Switzerland time. So I don't know how long I'll be able to stay up today. Today is redecorating, I guess. It's a start of redecorating of my corner. But I'm just waiting on my bestie that also went to the Philippines. Like we met, right? But yeah, I'm gonna FaceTime her and then gonna show her what I got. I got. J'ai Wendy, but still.
Cute.
So I was so confused.
J'avais pas
Oh, is it a member?
Attends, est-ce que c'est le tail one?
I don't know. Is it a member? It's a tail!
Oh my god.
My tail?
It's so big.
It's so big. Here's the outfit. I haven't got anything to wear because I had just we just got from the Philippines, so this is all I had. I'm in all black. One thing is, I think it's gonna be hot today. Hey, it's very windy. I hope it stays windy because it's very. Once I'm in the sun, it's really hot. So. We're at this store and just picking up my friends' contact lens. So yeah. Sorry, but this.
Parce que là j'achète. Je suis une vendue, j'achète. Moi aussi.
J'adore les cookies.
Just waiting on our orders. Do I keep it in the tray? going to our house. And we're gonna unbox these damn albums. If I pull another Nikki, I'm gonna jump off. I always pull a Nikki, like sure, but I would like someone from my bias line, please.
Sure.
Anyway,
Anyway.
who are you manifesting for, Jay?
Sorry for Jay.
Let's hope for a Jay. I want Hee-sung. I want Ew. And a tunnel. But you know what? If I get another Nikki and my bestie gets Jay, I'm happy. You know. Oh, ang basa tani.
Let's go to the K-pop store.
Excuse me.
Oh,
What's my name?
there's two names. No.
No.
Yeah.
Another day, another sleigh. That's what we say here. But yeah, we made it here, and now we're about to. Oh, oh, we're about to unbox the album. Manifesting, just
Anyone.
but Nikki. People are gonna think I hate Nikki, but no, I just pulled him a lot, and I just want another member. I haven't even. The only members that I got are 3: Sunghoon, Jungwon, and Nikki. And I got Nikki 2 times.
And I owed Jay.
Yeah.
So,
So
yeah.
Jay automatically is by law. By law hers.
Be a puso glitch mode. Oh, may poster!
Yeah, the poster is so good. Wow.
Or,
Yeah, this was my favorite version. It's a glossy poster. Ah! I'm a sucker for a glossy posters.
oh, I like the color combinations.
Huh?
Sorry, Jay. Where's that? 1, 2, 3. I give you
Nikki! Nikki! Oh, this is such a good sign, y'all. We got a badge.
No.
We got a badge.
I love this orange though. It's a piece of paper. 1,
2, 3.
Jake! Jungwon!
I got Jungwon. I'm happy.
I'm happy. I'm happy too. I'm happy.
I'm ready. Nikki. I just wanna another member.
2, 3. He's on.
My Jungwon song. Jungwon, honey, I love you. But no.
He always got sets. So it's scary.
What was that? I got so many sets. I got the.
Shukizo. Bitch,
I guess.
I got the member he wanted.
If it's not a Nikki set, it's a double. Wait, it's a Nikki.
Okay, Jungwon read hers.
But damn! At least it's not Nikki. Diba? But now I have a 4
Four?
Jungwon.
You and sets?
Me and my sets. When did this start? The set. Who was my first set? Sunghoon. You bitch. My first set was Sunghoon, I think. And then Karina. And then Jungwon. And then Jajin. And then Jeno. And then Jungwon again. So I got home and I wanted to rearrange again my desk. Cause I got a bunch of new albums from the Philippines and I need to like somehow organize them somewhere, somehow, someplace. So that's what I'm gonna do. See if all the albums fit on my desk. But yeah, I'm really scared that it won't fit. at our we're gonna watch my local K-pop dance crew. It's District Crew, so if y'all wanna pick a gander, they make K-pop covers. But yeah, I kinda wanna dance the chorus with them. I'm gonna ask my friend to film me. We got what? Oh, we're done watching them because we have to meet people and we still have to eat and buy food and stuff like that. So yeah, but I kind of cheered a little too loud. My scream was a little too resonant. The singing technique came through there. It's in this bench that me and my other bestie got attacked by a bunch of sparrows. Just because my bestie had food. Yeah. That's basically it. We're just gonna wait for the tram to get up. I'm probably gonna get a sandwich. Done. Got done eating and now we met up with some friends. I don't really know them, but it's okay. We have a long lost bestie that I haven't seen in so long. But oh, there was a naked child running around. Like, bitch, come outside.
Oh my god,
Giovanna, so pretty, so pretty.
I just get